Have you ever wondered if there's a secret switch inside our bodies that controls how fast we age? Well, scientists think they might have found something close to it. It's not a magic pill from a sci-fi movie, but a tiny molecule that's already in every single one of our cells. It's called NAD+, and it might just be the key to a longer, healthier life. So what is this miracle molecule everyone's talking about? Okay, let's break it down. NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is what's known as a coenzyme. Think of it like the ultimate assistant for your body's cells. Its most famous job is in energy production. Remember learning about mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell? Well, NAD+ is the spark that ignites the fuel. It helps convert the food you eat, the fats, the proteins, the carbs, into the cellular energy, or ATP, that powers literally everything you do. From blinking your eyes to running a marathon, you have NAD+ to thank. But its job description is way bigger than just being an energy booster. NAD+ is also a master repairman. Our DNA is constantly under attack from things like UV radiation and toxins. Over time, this damage builds up, and that's a major driver of aging. This is where NAD+ swoops in. It activates special proteins called sirtuins and PARPs, which are like the emergency response team for your DNA. They patch up breaks, fix errors, and basically keep your genetic blueprint in working order. Sirtuins also help regulate which genes are turned on or off, ensuring your cells function properly as they age. Here's the catch, though. Just when we need it most, our NAD+ levels start to drop. It's a natural part of aging. By the time you're 50, you might have only half the NAD+ you had in your 20s. Why? It's a double whammy. First, our bodies get less efficient at making and recycling it. Second, as we get older, we accumulate more DNA damage and inflammation. Your body uses up its precious NAD+ stores to fight these fires, leaving less for everything else. It's like your cellular bank account is slowly being drained. And the consequences of this decline are exactly what you'd expect. It looks a lot like aging. We feel more tired because our energy production slows down. We become more susceptible to age-related diseases because our DNA repair systems are understaffed. We might see a decline in cognitive function, muscle strength, and overall vitality. Essentially, the cellular systems that kept us young and resilient start to falter. So the million-dollar question is, can we get it back? The answer is yes, you can boost your NAD+ levels. The simplest ways are the ones you already know. Regular exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, and a balanced diet. Some people also turn to fasting or calorie restriction, which have been shown to rev up NAD+ production. Then there are the supplements. You've probably heard of NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, and NR, nicotinamide riboside. These are precursors, meaning your body can convert them into NAD+. Think of them as the raw materials for your cellular factory. Now, before you rush out to buy a truckload of supplements, a word of caution. The science is incredibly exciting, but most of the groundbreaking studies have been done on mice and other animals. Human studies are still in the early stages. While the results are promising, we don't have all the long-term data yet. We don't know the perfect dosage, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's crucial to talk to a doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. This isn't about finding an immortality pill. So why does all this matter? Because it represents a fundamental shift in how we think about aging. Instead of just treating the symptoms of age-related decline like wrinkles or fatigue, we're starting to understand and target the root causes at a cellular level. Boosting NAD+ isn't about living forever. It's about increasing our health span. It's about having the energy and vitality to enjoy the years we have, staying sharp, active, and disease-free for as long as possible. The journey to understanding NAD+ is really a journey into the heart of what it means to grow older. While it's not the mythical fountain of youth, it is a powerful tool our bodies use to stay resilient. And by learning how to support this vital molecule, we might just be able to redefine what it means to age gracefully. The future of aging isn't about stopping the clock, but about making sure it keeps ticking as healthily as possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone you know. And let me know in the comments section. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.